Hi, I'm Ed Damask, and Burrtec USA brought me in today to talk to you about a new product that is made to protect your garage door. It's called Ratshut, and it is designed to protect the sides and the top of your garage door. Those are the two places where you commonly don't have a seal already. It's a stainless steel spine coated in plastic. What it does is it protects those gaps. Mice and rats can chew through a lot of things. They can go through wood, aluminum, they can chew through even lightly cured concrete, but they can't chew through stainless steel. So what this does is it protects it forever, and it has a flexible edge so that it doesn't affect the garage door through general use. Okay, here's what we're gonna do to show you what it'll look like. Obviously this is before, it's open, you've got the gaps. This is what the product will look like once it's installed up here. You can see it'll be totally sealed, full protection. Okay, we've got a couple of nails holding it at the top that I sunk in already. We've got one here that's halfway, I'll put that in. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we wanna nail it all the way down to the bottom. I've just got a little nail hole right in there. We've got tin snips. Now remember, inside here, we've got stainless steel, so you need tin snips. Be careful when you're cutting this. We're gonna cut it a little bit longer than normal. We would rather have extra and trim it later. So what we're gonna do is just, you can see it's pretty easy as long as you have a good pair of tin snips. Cut right through. And that's how we get down to the bottom, and that actually goes flush with the cement. So that'll be perfect. Okay, so here's a section that we've installed. We've got the whole thing in. You can see no gaps whatsoever on this side and on this side, flush up against the garage door.